Hi everyone, welcome to Scimath Academy. In today's lesson, I am going to share you how to add decimals. So there are certain rules for adding decimals. The first rule is to align the decimal points. The second rule is to add the placeholders if needed. The third rule is to add the decimal as whole number. The fourth number is bring down the decimals. So there are certain examples that we have to solve. For example, 1.2 plus 3.4. So according to the first rule, we have to align the decimals. Means to align the decimal point to 1.2 plus 3.4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Write the decimal point and 1 plus 3 is 4. So 1.2 plus 3.4 is equal to 4.6. In this example, 4.56 plus 2.89. So 6 plus 9 is 15, right? 5 carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 8 is 14, right? 4 carry 1. Right? No. Here we see that there are decimal points, so bring down the decimal point down. Right? 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Right? So 4.56 plus 2.89 is equal to 7.45. In this example, 0.25 plus 0.25. So in this situation, we have to add these decimals just like whole numbers. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, right? 0 carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Right? So there are decimal points, so bring down the decimal point down and write this 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, right? So 0.25 plus 0.25 is equal to 0.5 because 0 after the decimal point has no value, right? In question number 4, we are adding 3.542 plus 2.2. But here we see that there is no integer, so we will write is 0, right? So 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, and 5 plus 2 is 7, right? So here are the decimal point, bring down the decimal point and add the numbers and the ones place. So 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So 3.542 plus 2.2 is equal to 5.742. Now in this example, 2.5 plus 0.243. So again, we will write the 0 after the 0 and 0 over 4 and 3, right? So 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 2 is 7, right? So here are the decimal points, so write the decimal point, and 2 plus 0 is 2, and we will write 3 as, again we will write 0 here, and we will add 3 plus 0 is 3, right? So 3 plus 2.5 plus 0.243 is equal to 32.743. If you have understood the method of adding decimals, then pause the video and comment the answer of 3.2 plus 6.2 in the comment section, and also try 32.24 plus 1.52. So dear viewers, thank you for watching. If you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos.